Welcome, Ranga Finance Room. So if you don't yet participate in Ranga Finance Room, check out description box. You will find out everything. So latest post we are talking about Andrena Airdrop Testnet is going to be used. Okay, one guy already did. Okay, one guy. Okay, phone me. So sorry, I'm going to pause it. Okay, slightly. Oh, he called me, but okay, anyhow. So here is Lebit and Drainer Europe. So Lebit task. So click this, do it, and go to the your extension browser. You need to have extension browser. So extension browser mean Chrome browser. Okay, like Mises. It's not worked in Chrome in mobile phone, but in a computer it will work. But in mobile phone it worked with Mises, Yandex, Kiwi. So whatever browser you are using. So especially prioritize Mises browser for my past browser for every airdrop. So here is I'm going to connect this down validator Chrome extension, and I can do work inside of this extension apps. So it is a little bit like it's loading. So until it is done installed in here, I'm going to pause and I'll come back very soon. Okay, so I'm hoping you will stay with me until this video is going to be finished. So yeah, it is already added in our extension list, sorry. So here is I'm finding out down validator. So here is it is going to be open. It is like mobile apps, but it is just you can open it in browser. It is so awesome. It is happen in computer, but computer is uh like computer and mobile phone is slightly equal nowadays. So click this register because I haven't anything. So put your name in here. So simple as that. Put your email in here. Okay, as simple as that. Put your email in here and put your password in here. If you have referral, you can use referral. Okay, I haven't, and click this correct account. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now let me see how much time it takes to done. So I click on this. Maybe referral is essential to have. So let me see. GS3. Now if I close it down, so it is not working. So I'm just getting my referral, then I'm working. So I get that code, slide. I found it. I looking for that code, and now I can paste in here. So I'm going to click on create account. So let me see how it is going to be. So everything is pretty much fail to fetch. What does that mean? So everything is I did put. So I don't know what happening. Here is failed to pieces right and by. So I'm going to desktop. So now let me see. So I'm putting again same email in here. 089gmail.com. So but now referral code. So it's not working. So already have an account. If I click on there, so let me see first. Fail to fetch. So if I click on this, already have an account. So if I put my password and email in here, let me see. So now if it is worked well, email not verified, please check is spam folder in case you did not get emails. Click here to see. So click here. So anyhow, so first I need to see my email in order to being verified in here in this airdrop. So looking for my email. So like majority of the time this type of airdrop does problem. Why? If you say to me, because they are early stage, they don't focus on their website. They focus on building system. They focus on their idea. Okay, this stuff. But their main net would be their focus then. So first Okay, hello, this email I get from town. That's great. So here we is click to verify, then I can log in. Okay, so I'm using this browser and I will walk through exactly this browser measures. So it is like it is. Okay, so very simple. I'm trying to make this video for you as much as I can, but making video easy, it is hard. Okay, making anything easy is slightly hard to do. Okay, but I try to as much easy as I can for you. So email verified successful. Now please log into downloaded Chrome extension. So yep, I would go to that down in here. So again I'm clicking on this. Okay, it's being opening up now, so it will be work now. So click on this continue, click this login sign pause in here. So now if I click on this login button, it will be immediately okay in here. Connection quietly boost rewards. Connection status, you are not connected, stay connected to earn rewards for contribute. So boost rewards, if you click on there. So your code, so earn additional rewards. Refer your friends with your unique code below to earn ongoing rewards, followers and reward. Okay, follow them. Okay, status is slightly is doing problem, but very soon everything will be updated. Okay, total earning points, so slightly it will be updated every time. Refer a friend. Your code would be okay, let me see what happened. Then okay, everything is like doing problem, but you can check in all the time, so it will work. Okay, so I'm going to do again in here on points. So what the heck in here? Home. Okay, boost. So here is your referral could be show up. So I'm just going in Chrome in here. So here is, let me just scroll in here. So it is Andrena down Airdrop. They instruct us service push rewards. For more rewards, click push rewards. Here you can invite more friends and complete task. So I click on this boost, but it is not working that way. And very soon it will be worked. So if you found okay, it is worked. Let me see where it is. Text me into the essentially. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it. Where this link is bring to me. Maybe Telegram, because maybe my tab has been on Telegram task. So I'm going to use my Telegram that I use every day by that account that I'm uses messages. As you know, I have a specific Telegram account for a specific browser. So here is it's for this one MONDOL Mondol. So here is I'm going to use this account for Mises browser. So it is a very organized system. I instruct. Okay, so then I'm going to back in my page. Okay, in this Mises browser, let me see now either it is done or not. Okay, again misleading, click this back button again in here. Boost rewards, followers and earn rewards. So it is as simple as that. Maybe it will be solved very soon. If you found out this video, if you try to do it, So this problem is I'm facing as well like you. If you found any solution, please let me know by comment or reach out to me. Check out description box, you will find everything about us. See you later.